Australian market set to open flat. The Australian market looks set to open flat after Wall Street's session hovers around its previous levels, with the Dow remaining above the historic 20,000 mark as investors digest the latest round of earnings reports. At 0700 on Friday, the share price futures index was down 2 points at 5,649. In the U.S., stocks were little changed in the wake of a two-day rally that pushed the Dow Jones Industrial Average above the 20,000 mark as investors grappled with the latest round of earnings. Qualcomm weighed on both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq as the chipmaker fell after posting a lower-than-expected rise in quarterly revenue. A solid start to earnings season and optimism over U.S. President Donald Trump's pro-growth initiatives has given the benchmark S&P 500 its best two-day performance in 7 weeks and catapulted the Dow above the historic level. Trump's business-friendly decisions since taking office include signing executive orders to reduce regulatory burden on domestic manufacturers and clearing the way for the construction of 2 oil pipelines. Locally, in economic news on Friday, the Australian Bureau of Statistics releases the International Trade Price Indexes and the Producer Price Indexes, both for the December quarter. No major equities news is expected. The Australian market was closed on Thursday for the Australia Day public holiday. On Wednesday, the benchmark S&P/ASX 200 index closed up 21.4 points, or 0.38%, at 5,671.5 points, while the broader All Ordinaries Index rose 19.7 points, or 0.35%, to 5,726.0 points. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar has fallen against its U.S. counterpart, which has risen amid optimism President Trump will spend on infrastructure. The local currency was trading at 75.47 U.S. cents at 0700 on Friday, from 75.74 on Thursday. Currency snapshot at 0700 at 1 Australian dollar buys 75.47 U.S. cents, down from 75.74 on Thursday. 86.36 Japanese yen, from 85.83. 70.58 euro cents, from 70.42 cents. 59.88 British pence, from 59.83 pence. 104.13 New Zealand cents, from 103.94 New Zealand cents. Currency closes taken at 1700 at previous local session. Bond market closes taken at 1630 at previous local session.